Modern QA teams are under pressure to deliver faster, yet nearly 30% of automation effort still goes into maintaining and scaling tests, not running them. Despite advances in tooling, achieving consistent automation across browsers and devices remains one of the biggest bottlenecks in release velocity. Teams waste valuable cycles duplicating the same logic across web and mobile apps. Minor UI or locator changes cause tests to fail, forcing engineers to rerun, debug, and patch the same scenarios across environments. These repetitive cycles slow releases and erode trust in automation. The real issue isn't how tests are created. It's how they're maintained separately for every browser and device. Traditional methods demand duplicate effort and manual upkeep whenever something changes. What teams need is a smarter way to write once and run anywhere, ensuring every test adapts seamlessly, no matter where it runs. Meet BrowserStack's cross-browser and cross-device automation agents, which let you write automation tests in natural language, run them on any browser or device, and reduce maintenance overhead. Let's see it in action. To enable the agent, set AI authoring to true in your BrowserStack configuration file. You can then add the natural language executor to your test scripts. It works with both existing and new scripts, with no extra setup. In this example, we're testing a simple e-commerce flow, searching for a product and adding it to the cart. Instead of writing multiple lines of code with locators and element selectors, we just describe the steps in plain English. On the dashboard, notice how the same script runs simultaneously across multiple browsers and devices without changes. The AI-authored tag shows the executed natural language command. The video log confirms each action was performed as written. The agent interprets each command, understands the intent, and turns it into executable automation. No locator rewrites, no redundant scripts, just reliable execution across browsers and devices. That's how the agent transforms automation efficiency. Zero cross-browser or cross-device redundancy. 90% less locator maintenance with intent-based execution. Faster, more reliable releases as teams focus on test logic, not boilerplate code. This is only the beginning. In the next phase, the agent will handle complex multi-step scenarios, support more commands, and extend coverage across browsers, devices, and apps. Run the same test across every browser and device, with one config change. Enable BrowserStack's cross-browser and cross-device automation agents today.